After you tried increasing your budget and running a blacklist campaign, and let's say you have maximized what you can on your current device and your current budget, and with the blacklist as well, once you maximize that area of your campaign, you should consider opening up and targeting a different device. So if you were initially targeting mobile, you may want to consider targeting desktop. Now, one thing to keep in mind, I would not recommend you start with whatever your current budget is now. For example, if you are spending $1,000 a day or $500 a day or whatever, you want to still start small, because just because you have it working on mobile, it may react differently. The websites may be different, or the widget IDs you're targeting may react a little bit differently. You don't want to start spending, I don't know, $1,000 a day or whatever you're doing with a blacklist campaign without any previous knowledge as to how that platform is going to react. Personally, I don't like to approach stuff that way. I like to minimize things, make sure things are running smoothly first, and then slowly but surely work my way back up again to whatever your current situation is. That's just how I like to approach things. I feel like it minimizes any craziness that I might overspend or just go berserk on a campaign. So that's one thing to consider. Open up your campaign to a different device. You can set up a different campaign just for a separate device that may actually help you better with your tracking and organization. So that's another thing to consider. And if that works, you should consider doing the other device. Again, on MGID, you could do 3 devices: mobile, desktop, and tablet. So if you're maximizing mobile and then you maximize desktop, then you should try maximizing tablet. And that's pretty much it. You're going to repeat the same process over and over, fine tune your campaign, and hopefully scale it up and maximize it as much as you can. You should be milking your campaign for as much as you can. If you get a winner, you should not sit back, get lazy, and just enjoy the profits. Milk it for as much as you can now, because you never know when you're going to get another big winner. And of course, you should be building up that money so you could launch new campaigns, build up your investment portfolio, whatever you want to pursue. But just keep that in mind. We're maximizing the campaign to as much as we possibly can. So go for it. And hopefully that works out for you. That's just one other strategy. I'll share more with you on a future lecture. So I hope that helps. This is Paulo Purdue from libertyblueprint.com. Take care.